Good morning, everybody. Saman here from Owls. I'm going to make this very short and sweet to the point. We just had a killer play on SPY, and yes, we played it on a day that's not same-day expiration. It's very rare for us to get in at the bottom and sell at the top, but today we did exactly that, and I'm going to show you how. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't already, join our Discord channel. It's absolutely free for 7 days. You have access to all of our channels, our live alerts, and our live chat. Get in there, earn some money, learn something new. All right, let's get into it. I've been analyzing SPY all day long, as I always do so. I don't think that's a surprise to anybody, but I didn't get in earlier because this price action was very strange, as you can see. It's been very choppy. It's been consolidating through here. Volume was a little bit weird, so I didn't want to get into it. We did miss out on this big jump up and this big jump down. It respected this level. As I always tell you guys, stocks always respect levels. Anywho, I noticed that as it was trailing down, here this red line, this 433.78, is a very respected level. And it touched it not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but 5 times. As we were getting into the 4th and 5th touches, what I noticed was that the wicks were not going under this line as they were over here. So it was holding this support really well. I checked the level 2 and the tape, and there were a lot of buyers at this 433.68 to 433.80 price. So I know that we had a very good floor. Once this did a double bottom, I engaged in a 435 call. We bought it at $1.40 and we rode it all the way up to $1.80 and sold literally right before it came down. Why did we decide to do this play? A few things. 1, it respected the level. 2, the 9 EMA crossed the 21 EMA. But 3, I knew, well, I didn't know, you never know, but I had a very good feeling that it would try to recapture the VWAP from the bottom band. If you don't know what a VWAP is, it's the volume weighted average price, which means it's the average of all of the price action, more or less, for that day. When it starts going to the lower band, it wants to meet in the middle. If it starts going to the upper band, wants to meet in the middle or break below it. That's just how the price action generally works. But what I did was, we saw the double bottom, we got in at 140, rode this sucker all the way up to the VWAP right here. Now, we had to make a decision. The decision was, and there's really 2 options. It hits the VWAP and it rejects and it goes to the downside, which is what you're seeing now, and it's exactly what we avoided. Or it breaks straight through and continues going up. Because today was so choppy, I recommended to myself and our team members to let it go at the full candle. So as soon as I saw this full candle right here, I got out. I got out of the position. I alerted for everybody to get out. I didn't leave runners. I didn't do anything like that. I knew that we had a short moment in the middle of the day with not that much volume, and I wanted to take full advantage of it for myself and our team members. So as you can see, we bought right here at 140. We sold at 180, and I think this thing topped off at like 182, 183, something like that. But we got out at the perfect moment because as soon as we sold, I want to show you guys the next candle that came up. Boom. Big rejection, rejection, rejection. Now it's on its way to the downside. Again, as I mentioned, it's very rare for us to catch a bottom and sell at the top. But today we did exactly that, and our members are very happy. Some of them played SPX because they have bigger accounts. I ended up just staying on SPY. I bought 3 contracts, nothing crazy. I didn't want to risk very much, but we made a brilliant 30% move in exactly 20 minutes. Again, let's look at the rationale to wrap things up. It respected this support. has touched it and tested it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. After the double bottom, we bought the 435 call, rode it past this level, which it broke, easily broke the resistance. As soon as it touched the VWAP, we're gone. So that's what we did. That's a recap. Today was short, sweet, to the point. We're also in BBIG, which is a meme stock, and we're waiting for potential short squeeze. It's already up like 20%, but I'd rather recap that tomorrow and see if it makes any really big moves that people get excited about before we say anything. But yeah, our members are up 30% on this. They're up 20% on BBIG. It's been a fantastic day in a pretty choppy market, and I don't think you see that very often with other groups. So if you haven't already, before I let you guys go, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, join our Discord, absolutely free for 7 days. You get access to everything. I know you'll love us and you'll stick around. If not, you have absolutely nothing to lose. We'll see you there. Peace.